Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. I just wanted to shoot this quick video to talk a little bit about my YouTube channel and why I created it. One of the number one reasons, obviously, is to promote my business, and to do that. But the whole theme of my channel has always been about inspiring you guys to do greater things, to inspire you to break free from the trappings that keep you from moving forward in your life, like growing and learning new things so you can gain better skills to achieve those things in your life that you want to do, and not to listen to the drabby, negative society that we live in, because there's so much out there today that's just so negative and so crippling to us wanting to move forward. In my last video, when I talked about fear and getting out of your comfort zone, and how so many people end up thinking small today and not thinking as an individual, and not being worried about what others think and everything, and basically, if you can break free from all that, then you can have an open mind and you can get focused on the things that you want to do. So that's what my channel has been all about. I always love helping and inspiring others. I've always liked doing that. And as I broke out of my own fears of getting in front of the camera, YouTube is a perfect platform to be able to do that, and that's basically why I started my channel, and that's why I love my number one way to getting out to people is making videos like this. And when you're making videos, they don't have to be perfect. I'm driving to work right now. I'm about to do another delivery route. I work for Amazon, and the reason why I like this job is because, one, I'm an independent contractor, so essentially I'm in business for myself. I can work when I want to work, and I have the ability to be able to make a video like this as I'm driving to work. And that's why I love doing what I do. But the other thing is, my sponsor in Power Lead System, my business opportunity, when he first started out, he was doing another business opportunity, and all he was doing was talking about his business. He talked about his business. He got a I think like a $10 stand, and put his phone on it, and he did videos right from his kitchen table, and he told people how much he loved his business, how much it's meant to his little boy. He broke Power Lead System is one of the reasons why he is free from a job today, and if you really want to gain people's attention, you got to be yourself. You got to be real. Don't try to put on an act like this is who I am, and make up all kinds of lies about yourself. No, just tell people your story. I'm just a simple guy who, about 5 years ago, was thinking to myself, with all this technology that we have here today, there's got to be a way I can make some extra money doing something online. And I came across a business opportunity, and that gave me my first taste of getting $20 commissions. And I didn't make a huge amount of money back then. I'm getting better. I'm making some decent money now, especially since I found Internet Lifestyle Pros and everything to promote Power Lead System. But I've had my struggles in life, and I'm making these videos so maybe something that I've learned, some mistakes I've learned in my past, I can tell you, and you can learn from. So basically, I want to make videos so you don't make those same mistakes that I made. Like finding legit opportunities out there. And there are a lot of legit affiliate offers out there that you can do. But the one I believe in so much is Power Lead System. It's been around 5+ years. Every year since they started, they've never had an issue of paying their people. Every Wednesday is payday. So tomorrow is payday. So this week I'm not going to get anything because there's basically an 11-day period in which they pay out commissions. So my next Wednesday I should be getting something. But they've never had an issue paying us. And they're still going strong when hundreds of businesses have failed. And it's not uncommon, even in the business world, even in the regular corporate business world, for businesses to fail. Not every business is going to be like Amazon or Apple or something like that. Businesses fail. Sometimes it's because of stupid decisions the people up top make, or they just don't really make it. But the reason why I like Power Lead System is because it has a strong following, and I don't feel they're going to go down anytime soon. They're constantly updating their opportunity. This year they're coming up with some updates, but I don't want to keep talking about my business in this video because essentially I just want to get the message across is the reason why I created this channel is to help you guys out, no matter what. And like you've heard in many of my videos in the past, I say if I hope you get something out of my videos. I hope you get inspired to finally pursue that thing that you want to pursue. And I believe it's never too late. You're going to have your internal voice saying, yeah, but I'm too old, or I'm not good enough. Well, you know what? We have this amazing thing in our head. It's called our brain. Our brain is an amazing thing. And it can learn. You don't have to take a class to learn always. If there's a topic that you want to learn about, there are thousands of videos, I'm sure, that you can go on YouTube right now. Type it in, and you can get tons of content on that thing that you want to learn. Mindset development, motivational things. I do that all the time. That's why I have such a upbeat personality, and why I am so positive all the time. It's because when you're constantly feeding yourself with the positive, it drains out the negative. It doesn't mean that your negative side won't come out from time to time. I've had my down times in my life. Who hasn't? But that's a part of life. But if you keep feeding your mind with this positivity, and you keep taking action every day on whatever it is that you start pursuing, and you start getting results, once you start getting those results, it builds up your confidence. It gives you kind of a high because you're getting some results. Like today, I got an opt-in and a sign-up in my business because they watched one of my videos. Do something like that on your channel. Start your channel. Whatever it is that you're pursuing, keep getting out there. Keep putting content out there. Your videos don't have to be perfect, like I've said many times, but just keep getting out there. And over time, people are going to start getting a following of you. So that's why I started my YouTube channel, guys. And I know I talked about my business, which is part of why I started this opportunity. I mean, this, what did I say? See, my videos aren't perfect. This is why I started my YouTube channel, is to inspire. not just to promote my business, but to also inspire you guys and to help you guys out. So if you like this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell right next to the buttons beneath this video. When you hit the button, you'll see a bell pop up too. Hit that notification bell, because that way you'll be notified when I bring up new content. And I have some power lead system training. I'm gonna go in my next video. I think I'm gonna be going over the back office in power lead system, so it can help you navigate it, to show you how to do things in there. And also I have some other standalone videos coming up as well. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.